Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to apply false eyelashes. And this has been requested in my channel so many times, and I finally got to sit down and do the tutorial. I am a big fan of false lashes, so if I'm not wearing mascara, I definitely need to wear false lashes because it just makes a huge difference, especially if you're wearing smoky eye makeup looks. When I was just starting with makeup, this is one of the things that I really struggled with, which is applying false lashes. Now, there are different kinds of eyelashes. There's strip lashes, there's individual lashes, and I'm not really a big fan of the individual lashes because I think that they're just it just takes so much time applying them. But I really love applying strip lashes. That is just my favorite false lashes ever. And there's so many different kinds of lashes and so many different brands, and my favorite is something that is wispy and something that has clear bands. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of lashes here that I really like and one that you need to avoid. So I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how to apply false lashes. So there are things that you need to remember. So number one, you need to know what kind of lashes do you want. Do you want thick lashes? Do you want natural looking lashes, the one that is barely visible? Or you want something that's super dramatic and wispy and like feathered out? So I prefer something that looks natural but still full and wispy at the same time. So I normally go for something that looks like this one and something that looks fanned out on the sides, because that will give you the cat eye effect. But something that you need to avoid when you are choosing false lashes is something like this that has super thick bands right here, because it's just gonna look unnatural and it's gonna feel so heavy on your eyes. So you need to look for something that looks like this, very wispy and thick, so it's gonna give you that dramatic look, but it has very thin bands. So this has invisible bands, so you also get something that looks like this, which I'm a fan of as well. So this has dark bands, but it's very thin. So for applying your eyelashes, you are gonna need a few things. You're gonna need a nail nipper like this. So this is for trimming the lashes. And then next, you're gonna need tweezers. It just makes applying the lashes so much easier. And then of course you're gonna need your lashes, and of course you're gonna need an eyelash glue. I have two right here. You can watch reviews online, but I highly recommend the Koji Lash Concierge. I got this from Beauty Manila and it's not available there anymore, so I don't even know where you can get this right now. You can also get any eyelash glue in a squeezy tube like this. This one's from Ashley Shine. I got this when I was in Palawan. Just choose the one that fit your eyes best. I really like these ones. You can get this online and it's super affordable. They range from 100 to 200 pesos. So when you remove the lashes from a box like this, it looks something like this. It still has the bands on the sides, as you can see. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it out. But before that, you need to first distinguish which one is for the left eye and which one's for the right eye. Some lashes have different lengths. Some are like the same length from the inner corner to the outer corner, but my favorite ones kind of flare out on the side, so it's longer on the side. So as you can see, this one looks longer on the left side, so this is gonna go on my left eye, and then this one is gonna be on my right eye. Okay, so first I'm gonna remove the extra bands on the side, and then we're gonna measure if we need to cut off more. So the reason why I like using a nail clipper or nail nipper like this is because when you're using scissors, the lashes tend to slide off from the metal part of the scissors, so it's just so hard to cut off using scissors. But with nipper, it's just so easy. Okay, so after cutting the excess, you're going to lay the lashes on top of your eyes and see if you need to remove a little bit of the oops. So put this side like right where you usually apply your lashes, and then hold it here, and then see if you need to cut out anything on the outer corner. So this one looks okay, so I think I don't need to cut anything anymore. And then we're gonna check the other one as well. Cut off the excess. So the thing with false lashes, you don't want this to extend too far, and you also don't want this to go too much on your inner corner, so it has to stay somewhere right here. So this one looks okay as well. So now it's time to apply the lashes. Okay, I'm going to start with my left eye, and this is, again, I'm going to use the lash concert on this side. This particular eyelash glue has a brush, so the other one is in a squeezy tube, so I'm going to show you guys the difference. So it looks like this. Until now it smells so good. I really love the scent of this one. Okay, so here, it's really important to remember not to get too much glue, so just be careful and remove the excess glue. Then it's time to apply a thin layer first on the band. So the key is to not put too much, because you can always apply more if you need to, but it's hard when you have way too much there. So just apply a nice amount. Just try to cover the dark band, and then now, okay, something like that. It's not too much, as you can see. And then you're gonna add more on the outer corners of the lashes, because that is where it usually comes off. Okay, and then the next thing you're supposed to do is to like shape your lashes. This is what I call exercise your lashes. So you're gonna exercise your lashes so that it will form into a shape that you like. So you're gonna hold it like this, and then like that, and then you're gonna exercise it a few times like this, so that it's going to sit nicely on top of your eyes, like that. So after doing that, you're gonna end up with something like this, and it's easier to apply it. Now, the waiting time is important as well. It's not gonna stick on your eyes. It's gonna be messy. You're just gonna get the glue everywhere on your eyes, so you don't want that. So we're just gonna wait for a few seconds before applying the lashes. And then if you lose the shape, just go ahead and exercise the lashes again. So while waiting, you can now grab the lashes with your tweezers. So this is in preparation for applying the lashes on your eyes. Okay, so now as you can see, it's starting to dry, and you don't want this to get too dry, otherwise it's just not gonna apply on your eyes nicely. So just make sure it's like 60% dry before applying it, which is what it is right now. So I'm going to apply it, and normally I hold the lashes with the tweezers like on the outer corners, because it's easier to apply it like that. On the outer corner first, and then I hold the inner part and then stick it right there. And since I waited for my lashes to dry a little bit, like 60% dry, it was so easy to apply the lashes. And after applying that, make sure that the center of your lashes is already stick. Sometimes girls forget to stick that, and it just comes off on the center. So what you need to do now, this step is super crucial, because this is going to make sure that your lashes are really sticked on your eyes. So what you're going to do is to close your eyes and then press it like upwards like that, because this is going to ensure that every part of the false lashes are sticked on your eyes. And I like to use this part of my finger to press the lashes, because it's just gonna give the right pressure. And then after that, you're gonna wait for a few more seconds, and then you can lift the lashes like this, because you don't want it to look droopy like that. You want it to look like this, like so. See, it was super easy. Just really follow those steps, and that is how I apply my lashes each and every time. So now let's do the other eye using the same steps. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, before applying your false lashes, curl your lashes first just a bit, and then apply like a thin layer of mascara first. You don't want to curl it too much because it's gonna be way too open. It's gonna be difficult for you to apply your lashes. And after that, I forgot to tell you guys that I applied a waterproof liner first. It's very, very important to apply a waterproof eyeliner because that is where your lashes are gonna stick. So if it's just your skin or your eyeshadow, it might come off during the day, so you need something that is waterproof, and that is going to make your lashes stay on all day. Okay, when you're using a squeezy tube like this, what I like to do is squeeze a little bit, and then I just like to coat the lashes like this, not too much, make sure it's not too thick. And for some reason this glue turns blue, I don't know why. Can you see that? It turns like neon blue. It's actually a really, really nice color, but I just don't know why it turns blue. Apply a little bit thicker on the inner and outer corner of the lashes. And this particular glue dries super fast. I'm going to exercise my lashes again, and then I'm going to apply it. Since I'm left-handed and I am applying the lashes on my right eye, I'm holding the lashes on the inner corner with the tweezers. So again, I'm just going to press this on the inner corner. Just press that, and then if you want, you can also use fingers to press the lashes on your skin. So tweezers will just help you position the lashes. And then do the same thing. And what I like to do is close my eyes like this and then push the lashes as close to my lash line as possible, because sometimes it's not in the correct position because it has to sit on top of your lash line. So my lashes are finally on, and as you've seen, it's very, very simple, but you really, really need to get used to it, and it takes a lot of practice. It took me a few years to really master applying the lashes, and even now sometimes I struggle just a bit, but I practice this so many times. So sometimes you'll see it drooping down. All you have to do is to just push it up, because it looks nice if it looks like it's gonna make you look awake if it's like lifted like this. So yeah, that is it for my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any requests about makeup tips, just let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. I upload videos 4 or 5 times a week. So if you don't want to miss out on that, subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again next time.